this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this lovely V-stitch scrunchie. It's so pretty. I love it. It's really easy to crochet. And you can find the free pattern as always on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. So for this project I used this yarn, which is a fingering weight yarn, also known as 4-ply. I will be linking all of my materials in the description box, so don't worry. I used 100% cotton yarn by Scheepjes and it's called Organicon cotton in Pink Petunia. So it's a fine yarn. You can substitute it with Paintbox Cotton 4-ply if you wish, but again I will be linking all of that in the down bar. You will also be needing a 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, a pair of scissors, and I also used a plain elastic band to sew in, and that's all you will be needing for this project. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, that really helps out my channel. And if you want more feminine crochet content, don't forget to head over to my Patreon page. The link is in the down bar. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, we will be making this long rectangle of V-stitches. Okay, so to begin, just make a slip knot. So just go ahead and make your slip knot and pop your hook through like this. And we will be chaining 99, so just go ahead and chain 99. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I've chained less, but the principle is the exact same, and you should have 99 chains. So once you have 99 chains, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chains from the hook and place a double crochet into that chain. So into this chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and take your yarn and pull through 2 loops, and that creates your first double crochet. And the first chain 4 counts as a double crochet and chain 1 space. Now go ahead and place another double crochet directly into this chain like so, and this creates our first V-stitch. So we've placed 2 double crochets together in 1 stitch. Now skip 1 chain and go into the next chain with 2 double crochets. So just go ahead and place 2 double crochets in that chain like so. Now skip a stitch and go into the next with once again 2 double crochets, and just repeat this pattern of placing 2 double crochets together in 1 chain, skip 1 chain and go into the next with 2 double crochets until you reach the last 2 chains, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so I've gone all across my chain. Yours should be longer, of course, but the principle is the exact same. And I've placed my last V-stitch in this chain, which is the 3rd chain before the end of the chain. We have 2 chains left. We are going to skip this one and go into the very last chain with a double crochet, a simple double crochet on its own, to finish this row, and this is what we have. So yes, so this is row 1, and I am going to be showing you row 2, and row 2 will simply be the same row that you will be repeating throughout. So now that we finished row 1, chain 3, so 1, 2 and 3, turn your work, and this counts as your first double crochet, and now we are going to be placing V stitches inside the V space, the V stitches from the previous row. So just go ahead and place 2 double crochets directly inside the V from the previous row. And just a little aside, some of you sometimes ask me, why do I just place 2 double crochets together for the V stitch? Why don't I place a double crochet, chain 1 double crochet? Well, the reason is this is how I learned the V stitch, and I do love the other V stitch, the other way of doing it, but I do also really love this way. So this is just like a little aside, a little side note. So just carry on placing all your V stitches into all of these stitches, and I'll show you how to finish this row in a moment. So this is what I have for now, and to complete row 2, I'm simply going to be placing a double crochet at the top of the chain 3 from the previous row, like so. There we go. So this is what we have. So now you are going to be repeating row 2 until you have 7 rows in total. So just go ahead and repeat this row until you have 7 rows in total, and then I'll get back to you. Okay, so this is what we have. And so I did forget to film how I fastened off, but I just created a knot and pulled through. So now I'm going to show you how to sew this in. I'm going to fold this like that, and I'm going to be using my loose end to sew this in. So this is a very simple stitch. Let me just show you. Let me just zoom in a tiny bit. Yes, so as you can see, I'm using the mattress stitch to go in one side and out the other. So yes, so this is very easy. So now that this seam is done, what we are going to be doing is creating an accordion type of shape. So just fold this over like so, like if this were an accordion like this, and pop your plain elastic band around this. And what you are going to be doing now is sewing the seam together. So we are going to be taking this part gently and the top here also, and just start sewing it in. So let me just zoom in just so that you can properly see what I am doing. So there we go. I've gone in one side, and I'm just going to seam these seams together, going all the way around. So I'm just going to be going all the way around this scrunchie, this seam, sewing it in. So I hope this is making sense. You can use pins for this part if you want, so pin these two pieces together if this makes it easier for you. I never use pins, so I'm going to not use pins, but you could. So just go all the way around and then I'll get back to you. So as you can see, I've gone all around and I barely have any yarn left to finish, but I wanted to show you how I finished. I'm just going to be tying a knot here. As you can see, I'm tying a knot and I'm just going to be popping my loose end inside the scrunchie directly and then fastening off this loose end like this. So I really love this V-stitch scrunchie. I hope you enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next